There once was an alternate universe where a great blizzard lay to waste the underground, freezing everything and everyone within it, except for one little monster. Meow? Meow! This little monster managed to survive the frozen apocalypse. He wanders through the underground,
hoping to one day meet another monster. But for how long will his hope last?
This world is strange. I hadn't seen anyone since I arrived. Snowden should be buzzing around this time. Huh? This ice. Everything is frozen over. Huh? Hey! Wait! I need to know what happened here. Where did he... Huh? Huh! Hi. Are you Sans? Meow? Meow? Meow, 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 meow. What is wrong with him? Sans. Meow? Listen to me. Can you tell me what happened here? Ink tried to get information out of the strange sands, but the only thing that came out of his mouth was meow. Ink continued to look for other signs of life. The strange sands closed behind them. Snowden. Waterfall. Hotland. Even the core. Is there anything in this place that isn't frozen? My bones are getting stiff. Meow. Whoa, hey! Where are you taking me? Meow, meow. Okay, I'm coming. This storm is crazy. Does he do this every time he comes home? Meow. Meow. What was that? It tastes like apple juice mixed with molder oil. Huh? These pictures. Huh? Hey. Did you draw all of this? Meow. You're pretty good. Wait a second. Meow. These aren't just random pictures, they're his memories, his experiences. When I put them in order, they create a rough timeline of events from what I understand. The monsters entered the underground to escape a massive blizzard. Things seemed to work out for a little while. Things get a little fuzzy further down the line, but it's clear the blizzard eventually moved through the underground. Huh? Hey Sans, what is this one? Meow? Of course he doesn't know. He must have been testing a marker or something.